Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use permalinks and search links to incorporate Hazy library resources into Canvas. Start at the library's website, hazylibrary.erau.edu. We're going to use EagleSearch, which you can use to find academic journals, books, ebooks, and more. If you have a specific article or book in mind, you can search the title, or you can browse by topic. Filters under the search bar and on the left-hand side can help you get what you're looking for. Once you've found what you want to share, click on the title for more options. Click on Permalink, then copy the permalink to your clipboard. Unlike the temporary browser address bar, the permalink is a stable URL that will go directly to this article. With the permalink, students, faculty, and staff can access the full text of the article using the View Online options. Now that we've copied the permalink, we're going to Canvas. I'm going to add this to my Research Articles module by clicking on the plus sign and selecting External URL. Paste in the permalink from EagleSearch, add your article title, and then hit Add Item. Hit Publish so students can see the article. Click on the link, then click on Open, and you're back in EagleSearch where students can then view the full text of the article. If you want students to select their own articles or research within a specific criteria, you can also link to search results. For example, I narrowed this search down to only peer-reviewed articles published within the last 3 years. Now I just need to hit Remember All Filters to save my settings, and then click on the QR code at the top right hand of the screen. Then hit Copy Link and follow the same steps as before to add the link to your Canvas module. Hit Add Item and then publish the link. Students can now view the research results to browse and select articles to read. If you have any questions about finding permalinks, search links, or anything else about research, please be sure to contact us.